Hi, I'm Rohan Narayan and I've been part of InspireXT for past 4 years now. I started as an associate consultant and currently I'm working as a consultant where I help implement Oracle solutions as per customers' tailor needs. What's unique about my journey is that I didn't have any prior knowledge in IT or consulting field. I even stepped away from my family enterprise to follow my passion in technology and business development. InspireXT gave me a perfect platform where I can explore new opportunities, take new challenges, and build my professional connect. The early days, let's say it was just like a ride in a roller coaster, where there were days I was enjoying my work and there were days where I was unsure if I was fit for this field. But what changed the scene was the people at InspireXT, my managers and mentors, who supported me tremendously. They didn't just give me tasks, but then they involved me, guided me, and trusted me with tasks, which not only gave confidence but also helped me learn and explore the concept in depth. My favorite part of journey till now is that I was involved in the client discussion for the first time by my manager, and second was when I was asked to run two successful CRP sessions, and it was very exciting to run the whole scene. Like most of the freshers, my biggest challenge was speaking up. So during meetings and requirement gathering calls with clients, I always wondered if my doubt was silly. But then my managers didn't let that hold me back. They constantly encouraged me and asked me to run sessions, lead discussions, which not only made me confident but also helped me express my ideas and asking questions. What I love about InspireXT is its openness and collaborative culture. It's a place where respect and ideas are at its core, and personal and professional growth are encouraged. As a fresher, I had regular access to mentorship, constructive feedback, and opportunities which helped me upscale. This transparency and the supportive environment motivated me to take up new challenges and stay aligned to my career growth. If I had to share some advice, it would be consider user guide and implementation guide as your best friends. Trust me, it works. Be curious, never hesitate to ask questions and share your ideas. Seek mentorship as it would provide an invaluable experience at every stages in your career.